If you're looking for the best customer service courses on Coursera, you may be wondering which course is worth taking. In this review, I'll rank the best customer service courses based on quality, ratings, and career value. Before we begin, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description. Right now, you can save 40% on your first 3 months of Coursera Plus. Coming in at number 5 is Introduction to Customer Service from CVS Health. This beginner course has a 4.6-star rating with more than 370 reviews. You'll learn active listening, communication, empathy, problem solving, conflict management, customer support, and complaint resolution. At number 4 is Customer Service Fundamentals from Knowledge Accelerators. This beginner course has a 4.8-star rating with over 1,900 reviews. It teaches customer support, communication, problem solving, help desk support, customer relationship management, and service improvement. At number 3 is CVS Health Call Center Customer Service Professional Certificate. This beginner certificate has a 4.6-star rating with more than 560 reviews. You'll learn call center operations, customer support, communication, sales techniques, teamwork, and customer relationship building. At number 2 is Microsoft Customer Service with AI Professional Certificate. This beginner certificate teaches customer relationship management, customer engagement, Power BI, AI tools, conflict management, customer insights, and service management. It's a great choice for learners interested in modern customer service technology. My number 1 recommendation is Generative AI for Customer Support from IBM. This intermediate specialization has a 4.7-star rating with more than 12,000 reviews. You'll learn ChatGPT, prompt engineering, AI workflows, customer support, product support, customer analysis, and responsible AI. It's an excellent choice for preparing for the future of customer service. If you only need one course, buying it separately may be enough. But if you plan to study customer service, business, communication, AI, or project management, Coursera Plus is usually the better value. It gives you unlimited access to thousands of eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, guided projects, and hands-on labs. With the current promotion, you'll pay just $35.40 per month for your first 3 months instead of $59 per month. If you're ready to start learning, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.